India strongly opposed the Canadian Parliament's decision to hold a moment of silence for 6 separatist terrorists. Hardeep Singh Nijjar, exactly a year after unknown men in Surrey, British Columbia, gunned him down. The spokesperson for the Ministry of External Affairs, Randhir Jaiswal, stated that India opposes any move that provides political space to extremism.
See, we naturally oppose any move giving political space to extremism and those advocating violence. So that is our position on this particular issue that you raised.
Notably, the Canadian Parliament on June 18 observed a moment of silence in the memory of Hardeep Singh Nijjar, whose killing has strained relations between India and Canada. In retaliation to subtly remind Canada of the danger of yielding space to extremists and separatist elements, India also announced that it would organize the memorial for the victims of the bombing of the Air India's Kanishka aircraft, which claimed the lives of 329 innocent people, of which 86 were children. Furthermore, India also lodged a strong protest with Canada over the Sikh extremists holding a so-called citizens' court outside the Indian consulate in Vancouver. Conveying its concerns, India issued a diplomatic note to the Canadian High Commission communicating serious objections to the demonstration and holding of a citizens' court by the extremist elements. Moreover, while marking the upcoming anniversary of the Air India flight bombing, Indian origin member of the Parliament Chandra Arya on Thursday warned in the Canadian Parliament that the dark forces of the Khalistan movement, who claimed hundreds of innocent lives in 1985, have energized again.
39 years back, on this day, Air India Flight 182 was blown up mid-air from a bomb planted by Canadian Khalistani extremists. It killed all 329 passengers and crew members, and this is the largest mass killing in Canadian history. Unfortunately, many Canadians are not aware that even today, the ideology responsible for this terrorist attack is still alive among few people in Canada.
He further condemned the cowardly act of terror of the Kanishka flight bombing, describing it as the deadliest mass killing in the country's history. In his address to the Parliament, Arya cautioned about the enduring presence of separatist elements in Canada, adding that recent anti-India and anti-Hindu incidents have sparked fear among Hindu Canadians. The Canadian MP's remarks come amid preparations for a memorial service being organized on June 23 by the Indian Consulate in Vancouver. The event would honor the victims of the Kanishka bombing tragedy, reiterating India's staunch stance against terrorism and rejection of any glorification or justification of such acts.